write down term and tenure. Subheading term and tenure. The Vice President is elected for a normal tenure of, the Vice President is elected for a normal tenure of how many years? 5 or 6? Please write down 5 years. Normal tenure of 5 years. Sometimes a student gets confused, oh, Rajya Sabha chairman, so member of Rajya Sabha 6 years, so we are Vice President, so don't get any confusion. So 5 years from the date, 5 years from the date he enters upon his office. From the date he enters upon his office. He may continue to hold his office. He may continue to hold his office even beyond expiry of his tenure. Even beyond expiry of his tenure, till his successor enters upon his office. Till his successor enters upon his office. Till his successor enters upon his office. He can recontest for any number of times. He can recontest for any number of times because Constitution is silent about it. Because Constitution is silent about it. So it is not that he would be only for one term. You know that Hamid Ansari was for 2 terms. You know that even Radhakrishnan for 2 terms. So you will find that he can recontest, no problem. No problem in this. And then, please, write down below this, write down vacancy of office. Vacancy of office. First point. In case of his death. In case of his death. Next point. If he resigns under his own hand. If he resigns under his own hand. Address to the President. Address to the President. See, if he is declared disqualified, if he is declared disqualified by the Supreme Court, if he is declared disqualified by the Supreme Court. Next point. If he is removed by the Parliament, if he is removed by the Parliament, parachange. If there is any dispute, parachange, and then write down. If there is any dispute relating to election of the Vice President, any dispute relating to election of the Vice President or his disqualification, it can be decided only by the Supreme Court. It can be decided only by the Supreme Court. However, no petition can be filed. However, no petition can be filed. No petition can be filed in Supreme Court on the ground on the ground of any vacancy in the electoral college. On the ground of any vacancy in the electoral college.